Casting a new derived column in a data frame from boolean to integer. Suppose I have a data frame X with this schema. I then have the data frame. I would like to have an integer derived column. I am able to create a boolean column. My new schema is However, I would like column Y to contain 0 for false and 1 for true. The cast function can only operate on a column and not a data frame, and the with column function can only operate on a data frame. How do I add a new column and cast it to integer at the same time?
Expression you use evaluates to column, so you can cast directly like this.